Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I am also fine today. So guys, in this class, I want to show you how to say about some sentence about your classroom. Right? There is a classroom here, and most of the time I come here and I study here, and sometimes I teach here, and sometimes I study from this classroom. I like this classroom is very much, and what I will say, this classroom is awesome, well decorated classroom. You are watching. This classroom is well decorated, and you can say just apni naam dhore dhore eibhabe bolte paren, this is our classroom, and there are so many things in this classroom. I will say all the names, all the things of this classroom right now. You are watching, there is a rack in this classroom, and on the rack there is a crash here, and the name is Aminul Islam Monir, right? Aminul Islam Monir. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 racks in the rack, this rack, and there are so many banners here, and I think it's a company, and beside it's a company and it's a classroom. There are so many banners here. You are watching the icon of this man and the face of this man. Again, I will show you all the things. And there is a table here. You are watching, there is a table. And without this table, there are so many tables. So there are 3 tables, just 3 tables, orange color. There are 2 tables is orange color, and 1 table is here. You are watching this color, right? And there is a mobile phone here, and sometimes I use mobile phone after sitting here, right? And there are so many. Sorry, it's not so many. Just there is a headphone. You can say earphone. Headphone here with the charger, but it's not mine, it's Arif's charger, right? There are 1, 3, 2 exercise book on the table, and 1 pen on the table. There is a basket, the color is yellow, and in the basket there are so many markers here, and 1 is pen, and 4 is 4 markers, 1 pen here. And there is a company card name. I will show you all things. Company card name, Next Product Limited. And beside is a classroom, right? And there another things I will show you. There is a bag here, but it's not. I don't think so. It's a very expensive. I think it's a low price, right? Low price. And I will show you so many things. There are so many chairs. There is a chairs. There is a chairs here, chairs, and there are 2 doors. And 1 door is here, and another door is here. But that door is very nice. I like this door because it look like a glass, right? Look like a glass. And there are 2 computers here, 1 and 2. Another computer, another computer, 2 computer with a mouse, box, and electricity line. And there are so many chairs here, but this chair is very beautiful, and I like to sit here. It's relaxed. But computer is open right now. I can operate computer. Computer is open here, and I can operate computer fresh, and I can go to the PC. Sorry, it's not working right now. Yeah, it's locked. And there are so many pictures here. Right now I'm watching. Okay. So it doesn't matter. It's not time to hitting the computer this time. Oh, I will show you one thing. There's a window here, and from this window, just I feel and I see the outside of Muktagasa, and this is the Muktagasa right now, Muktagasa area, and I can see that all things from here. And there is another thing. There is a bag here. It's a very expensive bag. It's a very expensive bag, right? Expensive bag. So, my dear viewers, last time I want to say that there are so many students here. It's not so many, just 3, right? Just 3, but 1 student is little. There is a little. His name is Duha, and his name is what? Yusha. His name is Taibara Hanadina, but they are all good students. They are very talentful student, right? And they are trying to speaking English. They are trying to learning English. So my dear viewers, definitely you will leave a comment in comment box. আজকে আমরা দেখলাম কিভাবে আপনি আপনার ক্লাসরুম সম্পর্কে সহজে কথা বলতে পারবেন. Oh, I forgot that there are fan here. It's just funny. stunning, right? And এইভাবে আপনি আপনার ক্লাসরুম, আপনি আপনার বাসা, আপনি আপনার এলাকা, আপনি আপনার যে জায়গায় থাকেন এই জায়গা নিয়ে আপনি এইভাবে কথা বলার চেষ্টা করুন, এইভাবে আপনি ইংরেজি বলার চেষ্টা করুন। ডেফিনেটলি ইউ ক্যান স্পিক ইংলিশ ফ্লুয়েন্টলি, বাট ইউ হ্যাভ টু স্পিক, ইউ হ্যাভ টু প্র্যাকটিস ইন ইউর হাউস। ইফ ইউ ডোন্ট প্র্যাকটিস ইউ ক্যান্ট স্পিক। আপনি ইংরেজি বলার চেষ্টা করুন, ইনশাল্লাহ আপনি পারবেন। হ্যাভ এ নাইস ডে। আই উইল সি ইউ উইথ দ্য নিউ ভিডিও। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।